VMX84SWi. This is the first machine into the UK market. Ian, good morning. It's fair to say that I'm told that size isn't everything, but I think it is for you here, isn't it, with this machine?
Yeah, that's correct.
Well, is the reason you bought it because of the size?
Yeah, because it gives us increased capacity on jobs that we normally may have had to send back to us customer for milling, that we can accommodate these workpieces now.
And when you look at your business, having a machine of this size and this nature, I suppose it gives you the edge over your competition,
Yeah,
doesn't it?
it puts you in a bit of a niche market, because there's not a lot of people who have the capacity that we've got as a small company or a small outfit like us.
Because as we walked past, we saw your smaller Herco machines, so they can do the smaller components, but this gives you more flexibility.
It does, yeah, that's correct. We can take the longer workpieces on, and we've got a much larger Y-axis, so we can accommodate larger diameter workpieces.
Do you know what that Y-axis is?
I think it's about 860 mil, something like that.
So it's pretty big. Now, looking at it here, it looks like it could just be a straightforward 3-axis vertical, but it's not, is it? It's 5-axis.
No, it's actually a full 5-axis machine with a tilting B-axis on the head.
And you've also got a rotary table to give you your...
Yeah, we've got a rotary axis that enables us to use it upright or on its bike.
So it's a common argument, Ian. Why would you go for a machine of this nature rather than like a VM42 5-axis machine?
Because when you're machining, the machine is never big enough for the jobs that you're doing. We wanted to give us something that will give us a bigger scope of supply and give us a bit more competitive edge.
And I suppose with the fact that you've got this big 4th axis unit as well, if you use that, you can do the part here that we're going to talk about in a minute. Yep. But you can take that off, and then you could use almost this, is it 2-metre bed to put?
It's about 2.1 metres in the X-axis that we've got.
What's the spec of the machine, Ian?
Oh, well, it's the